Hey guys, another WordPress 101 lesson here. Today I'm going to be looking at adding media into your site. Now if you load in or log into your WordPress, you'll get your dashboard, which is standard every time you log in. Now in order to upload, whether it's pictures, whether it's video, PDFs, Word documents, all you need to do, if you hover over media and then add new, you'll be presented with this screen. Now the great thing about this screen is you've got two options, two ways of getting your information up there. You can either drag and drop the files onto this dotted box, or you can do what I'm going to do now, and I'll show you. To be honest, most people would do this, is clicked on select files. You'll then be presented with a box you're probably fairly familiar with. Now by default it's loaded up my pictures, and we'll just take this example image of sort of a penguin family. You can click on it, and then click open, or you can double click on the image. It does the same. Now you'll see here that it's uploaded. Now here it says there is a maximum upload file size of 2 meg. This can be changed within the web space normally. So you can either log into your control panel and make the changes for that, or you can contact us if you're using our hosting and we will do that for you, alternatively respective host that you use. So what we're going to do now that's been uploaded, click on media again. You can see it's up there, penguin family, so we can do some more with it. We click on it. You can put some information in, so a caption. Basically when you put a caption text in there, whenever you use this image, underneath it will always be the caption of what the image is about. The alt text is that little yellow box that appears when you hover over an image. So most images on the internet, when you hover over them, or even if you say take an example such as Word, if you hover over the toolbar along the save icons, undo, all those sort of icons, you'll get a little box coming up telling you what they are. And that's the same, that's all the alt text is for that. Down the bottom you have the ability to delete the image if you want to take it off the server if you don't need it anymore, so you just click literally delete permanently, and it says you're about to permanently delete this item from your site. It cannot be undone, cancel to stop, or OK to delete. Normally you click OK if you want to get rid of that. Now there is another feature, edit image, where you can actually go in and play around with the size of the images, or you can do image cropping. So that again you would play around with until you're happy with the image. You can even convert it to thumbnails, you can set it to. Play around, that's all you can do really, till you get what it is that you're after. And when you're happy, just click in the top and the image is there, all the settings are done. Now to an example, if we go to post, a couple of hello worlds there from the previous examples. We'll say, oh, well, we want the image to appear under there. Go to add media, click on there. You can say where you want it to be, so we want it to be left alignment, centre, right alignment. You can have links, which we'll go into in more detail, but not just yet. And you can actually say the sort of size image that you want. So we'll say where the original image I noticed was, you see at the top, is 800 by 600. We'll set it to a medium, 300 by 225. And you just click insert into post. There we go. And when you're happy, you just click update on your post. And then if you want to test it, just to see what it looks like, you click post, next post updated, view post. There we have it. So I hope this video was useful for you. Again, it is only very basic, but there will be more and more in-depth videos coming. So remember to subscribe below and hit that little notification bell as well, so anytime we upload a new video you'll be alerted. And any problems, leave a comment below. Take care, bye.